tayo sa Spar. Walking distance lang dito guys. Mini store lang siya. Ito, may SM bag pa ako. Welcome to SM. See you guys. Mag-grocery kami sa Spar. Outside. Wow, it's raining. That's Lolo. La Cuachero. Wow. Ano pala ngayon guys? 2 degree. How was the temperature, Lo? It's 2 degree.
Yes, about.
Grabe ang lamig. Wow. My goodness, that is... Yan kami yan. Walking distance lang yung Spar dito. Kinalolo. Ito.
We have to look the schedule because I can't on the cell phone.
Grabe ang lamig. Pasanaw ka na lang sa sobrang lamig. Maulan pa kasi. Malamig na nga, maulan pa. Titingnan daw namin yung schedule. Kasi mamaya pupunta kami sa Sweets. Pick upin namin ni Lolo yung yung plate number niya. Andun sa municipality ng Sweets. Ito yung schedule ng bus. Yan.
53, 53, and 28.
Ah, okay.
And 9:53, 10:53 only.
Okay. Guys, kung magstay kayo dito sa Ontario River, dyan kayo mag-book sa Hotel Minster. Maganda dyan.
So I think we go either 9:53 or 10:53.
Okay.
That's okay for you?
Of course. Of course.
This was the 8:53. And you can say this is my carrier.
Sorry?
You can say this is my carrier.
Yan, ito yung Ontario River guys. Switzerland. Province siya ng Sweets. Canton Sweets. Medyo sobrang lamig, hindi medyo talagang sobrang lamig. It's 2 degree. Yan na yung Spar. Ito nakikita nyo na to. Yan yung Spar. Diyan kami mag grocery. Mini groceries lang siya guys. Stop the video. Yan. Tapos magpipid si Lolo lang ito. Pa kami ng postcard dito guys, hindi.
Here I have a food plan.
Oh, di ba? Galing. Dito na kami guys. Hello. We will get this one?
I think we did.
Okay, so ito guys, 50% broccoli. Yeah.
Oops. That's yours?
No, no, no.
Ah, no, that is that's what it's a cell phone. And this one is okay.
Tingnan yung kamatis niya guys, ang ganda. Diba? Wow. Yung gitna.
This one is okay.
Yes. Okay. Yan, strawberry 50% off. Sorry. Oops. Sorry. Good morning. Sorry. What's
Okay.
that?
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut. No. Ay, panggit. Burger. Ayan to. Marami-rami na. Tapos pupunta kami doon sa loob. Medyo may kalakihan din tong mini store na to. Spar. Ayan na si Lolong Lakwatsero. Kita na kami dito. Andito yung mga meat section, mga chocolates, bread. Look the bread. Morgan.
What price do you want?
No, it's up to you. Ito yung I think we still have bread, Lo.
Sorry.
We still have bread? Maybe this one. Ito, oh. It's okay for you, this one?
Yes.
Ayan. Dito kami sa mid-section ni Lolo. Medyo may ano. Tingnan nyo guys. Mini store lang siya. Si Lolo patingin-tingin. Hindi naman bibili.
Oh, you prefer Sevilla?
No, whatever. Yeah, also is Serbela is. I prefer Serbela. Ayan na si Lolo. Dito na kami sa layer section. Dito yung mga eggs, mga yogurt, soft drinks, milk.
Milk.
Yeah.
I think here we take a half.
Sorry?
We take a half.
Okay. Yan yung gatas biling for 1 week yan. Nag-shopping. Hirap ning wala tayong tumiraman. Yan, tawid na si Lolong Lakwatsero. Tingnan mo pagi to, no? Hirap ning wala tayong taga-video. Yan si Lolo. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa bahay. So, gagawin ko mag-arrange. Ito yung milk. Alis lang ako nito guys.
Is this one we dispose?
Yeah. Namili namin, dami kasi. This one, ilagay ko to dito. You already put one in ano, refrigerator or
Sorry.
milk? Oh. What?
I forgot that I stole some here.
Already one. one low. Or we can put here.
We got this.
No. Because I don't have enough space also dito. Avocado guys, gagawa ko ng mango float. Papatikim ko sa kanila yung mango float. Enough na nga to.